Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our comparison video of borax versus baking soda, which works better for killing cockroaches. Watch till the end to find out which is the best choice for you. So the main difference between borax and baking soda is their effectiveness in killing cockroaches. When cockroaches consume borax, it affects their digestion and metabolism, hence the roaches dehydrate and eventually die. More importantly, cockroaches often carry borax back to share with other cockroaches. That makes it possible to get rid of colonies. On the other hand, when cockroaches consume baking soda, it reacts with the acids in their digestive systems. That creates the toxic carbon dioxide gas, which builds up to cause the cockroaches to die. Cockroaches may not consume enough of the baking soda to kill them. Also, because of the reaction to ingesting baking soda, cockroaches will stop eating it and not carry it back to their colonies to share with others. Therefore, borax is the better choice since it effectively kills cockroaches. Alkaline levels. The alkaline level of borax is slightly higher than that of baking soda. The alkaline level of borax is about 9.5, while the alkaline level of baking soda is about 8. This is why borax is a much more deadly substance in killing cockroaches. Therefore, borax wins in this category since it has a higher alkaline level, making it suitable for killing cockroaches. Affordability. Although standard quality baking soda is generally cheaper and readily available, buying the high-grade quality will likely cost more than borax. Therefore, borax is the better choice in this category since its standard grade is cheaper. Safety. Baking soda is generally much safer, which is why it is a common ingredient in recipes. However, you must always handle borax carefully. Do not expose it to your skin, inhale it, or expose it to pets or children. Therefore, baking soda wins in this category since it is much safer than borax. From the table, you can tell that borax works better for killing cockroaches since it is significantly more alkaline, which makes it a harsher substance. On the other hand, you can use baking soda since it is non-toxic and effective, but it works slowly. Similarities. Borax and baking soda are similar because they are alkaline, work to kill cockroaches, and are generally safe, unlike the chemical options. Verdict. So, which one is better? Although borax may not be safe for pets and humans, it works better than baking soda since it can be spread and shared among roaches in the colony to wipe them all out. So if you want to eliminate cockroaches faster and more effectively, use borax. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.